Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through how you can top up your funds in the Swissborg app using your debit or credit card so that you can buy crypto in a matter of seconds. As you open up the app, you're going to have the deposit option straight in the middle of the center of the screen, or you can also press on one of the fiat currencies that you use and make a deposit. I use Swedish crowns or SEK since I'm in Sweden, so then I can just type in the amount that I want to add and then press confirm. I've already added my card details, so I can just continue this. Otherwise, of course, add your card details. I also have a third party second authenticator. This varies depending on what bank you have and what country you're in, but it should be and you will do for any transaction using your debit or credit card. And then we're going to see, hopefully this is just going to take a couple of seconds, and then the funds will be added straight into your account. And there we have it. So now you can purchase any crypto that we have in the app exactly when you want to in a matter of seconds. Happy crypto exploring. So what are you waiting for? Get started in crypto using your debit and credit card with Swissborg Top Up.